Getting Microsoft Store error code 0x80244007 and apps not installing on your PC? In this video, I'll show you simple ways to fix the error and get Microsoft Store working again. First, search for wsreset. Now click on Run as Administrator. Wait for the process to complete automatically. Next solution, run PowerShell commands. Now search for PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Copy the first command from the video description. Paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Now copy the second command from the description. Paste it and press Enter. After completing both commands, type exit and press Enter. Next solution, delete Microsoft Store cache folder. Open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Open Local Disk. Now open the Users folder. Open your username folder. Click on View. Click on Show. Enable hidden items. Now open the AppData folder. Open the local folder. Open the Packages folder. Open Microsoft.WindowsStore_8wekib3d8bui folder. Now delete the local cache folder. Next solution, update Windows. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Now update Windows to the latest version. That's it. After completing these steps, Microsoft Store should work properly again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.